How to transfer assets from one coin to another on Binance. Now log into your Binance account. On your home page, make sure that you press right here on trade. Now once you press on trade, make sure that you put it in convert. Press right here on convert. Now they are showing you what you can convert, for example from MDT to USDT, but I just want to convert from USDT to MDT. So I'm going to press right here. And right now they are showing me the assets where I can convert from. There are very many, so I just want USDT. It's right here. If you can't find any asset you want to convert from, you can press right here on search and then you search for it. But right here is USDT, so I'm going to convert from USDT. After pressing on USDT, I'm converting from USDT to another coin. So I'm pressing right here to choose another coin I want to convert to. And right here is MDT. Again, if you can't find it, you can press right here and then you search for it. But I just want it's right here, so I'm just pressing on it. Now they are showing me that the available amount of USDT is 1.69. So I'm going to convert 1.69 to MDT. And right here they are showing you the amount of MDT you're going to receive from 1.69 USDT. So after that, press on preview. And then press on confirm. Make sure that you press on confirm before the seconds expires. So right here, I'm done converting from USDT to MDT. You can do it on another coin, any coin of your choice. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.